This is the elevator at the Pittsburgh Emergency Health System in downtown Pennsylvania. In case fire, use earway. Do use elevators. Anyways, this is an Otis Series 5 with the long beep. Either Elevon 411 or Gen 2. Pretty tall. Basement. It's locked. Looks like 6 is the only thing that's open. Yeah. Yep, that's locked 6. Yep, 6 is the only thing that's open here. Got. That is annoying. Ugh. So it's not run all that great.
Sixth floor.
Good 6.
Going down.
Go back down to 1. 8A phone. Operation case file, there's Otis Service Elevator 3. Certificate installed in 2010. Here's your lockout Medco. Basic elevator, but very tall. Smells like something smoked in the elevator. A little bit, not too much though. Or like perfume or something. 2010. Here, back to 1.
First floor.
And it did not light up. Here, close. That's not going to be it.